Hey everybody, welcome to Earth Science. Woohoo! I'm wearing a chemistry shirt, but hey, it works. It's still science, right? Um, Hope you had a great summer, and I just want to do this little video to kind of welcome you to the class and just go over a couple little things with you before you get started. So let's do that. I'm just going to share my screen real quick with you here, and then you should be able to see what I'm seeing here. So welcome to Earth Science. I put the syllabus as the home page, so you can't miss it. But I do want you to make sure that you note a couple of things. My contact information, virtual office hours. Basically, my virtual office hours are anytime you can find to schedule an appointment with me by clicking on that little link there. Some of you who've had me last year know how that works. Newbies, basically you can click on this and you can schedule any 15-minute block with me, puts it on my schedule, and usually works great for discussion-based assessments right there. Also, something new this semester and this year is we're doing more virtual class meetings. So we didn't do any last year, but this year we are doing 4 or 5 of them. They'll be every 4th Tuesday of the month. So if you click on the calendar for this class, and basically once you get into the class, you'll see it. Well, it's right there on the left. Bam. Hit calendar there. Your calendar in Canvas kind of shows you all your assignments for all your classes. But for us, it is, oops, it's going to be right there. It just didn't show up yet. But it'll be the 4th Tuesday of the month. Let me just go back to where I was. 4th Tuesday of the month at 2 p.m. Okay? And I'm going to update this later with an address that you will use to go to attend those virtual meetings. And they're basically, I'll be going over maybe a concept that was kind of a big one for the last module, or where I see maybe some students are having some problems. We'll talk about things that are going on in the class. So it's kind of an open time also for questions and answers. So I can kind of check in with you guys and see how we're doing. Okay, so those every 4th Tuesday of the month, they'll be on the calendar. So you'll be able to find them there. All right, and then also Open Lab. We're going to have a Science Open Lab every Thursday from 9:30 to 11:30 in classroom, I guess it's 2. Well, it's where it's the science lab, basically. The science lab in the art room. All the way at the end, all the way down on the right there. So that'll be just an hour and a half. And it's just to come in. It's not a set scheduled class. In other words, you don't have to show up to get content. It's really a place to come in, work on assignments, kind of like Open Lab, but it's really specifically for science. You can get help from me on anything you're struggling with. We also I'm not sure for this class, but we might do a science lab at some point where we'll do some kind of an activity in there. That'll be a instructor-led event, but that will be to be determined. Haven't figured that out yet. All right. And so make sure you read through the syllabus and understand how the course works. All right. The other thing is collaborations. I'm going to jump into the modules here. And just so you know, whenever you start this class, this is kind of a new system for everyone this year. When you start this class, after you open the class up from your dashboard there, just click on modules. Click on modules, and that'll bring you into the actual course stream like you're used to seeing here. Okay, I might change this, but this for now, I just want it to be set up this way. So you'll start at the very top in the welcome folder. Syllabus just says, make sure you read the syllabus like I just told you. And course information and all that stuff. All right, so you'll notice as you start with, well, actually not in this module. This is kind of the beginning module on science in general. But once you get it down here into module 1, I put in way down here, collaboration options right there. It's a little page about how to do the collaborations. So make sure you go through that. And that just basically pops up before the first collaboration option. But basically in each module, there is a collaboration option, which is an opportunity for you to work with a partner or two on a project. And there's 4 different ones. There's a link here to the Google folder that shows you all the different ones. There's one in each of the modules 1 through 4. There's not one in 0. And you just have to do one of those, all right? Just one of those for the semester. So there's instructions in there how to do that. I just wanted to point that out to you. So that's it. I just wanted to say welcome and didn't want to make this too long. If you have any questions, again, the syllabus, bingo, that's where to find me. I'm going to be on campus Wednesday mornings, all day Thursday, and Friday mornings as well. So have a great semester, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you online or on campus. All right.